So now let's talk about something we use all the time, operators in Python. Think of operators like symbols that help Python perform actions. Just like we do math with symbols like plus and minus, or compare things using greater than symbol or equal to symbol. Python supports several types of operators and we will go through each with simple real world examples so you can remember them easily. First we'll start with arithmetic operators. These are the basic math symbols uh, which we use to perform mathematical operations. We'll see some examples also of arithmetic operations. Suppose suppose we have to do some we'll create two variables, a is equal to 10 and then b is equal to 20. We have to do some arithmetic operations here. um, we want to add it. We'll just try to add this a and b. Add we'll do addition a plus b, then we'll have to do subtraction a minus b. We are using this symbol. Just remember this, we are using this symbol as a operators. So these symbols are the operators in Python which we use. These are the arithmetic operators that we use to perform mathematical operations in Python. We are doing additions with the help of plus symbol, then we are doing subtraction with the help of minus symbol, then we are doing multiplication with the help of a star symbol, then we are doing division. And now we'll try to run this. We got the result, right? So a plus b, 10 plus 20, we got the 30. Then subtraction a, 10 minus 20 minus 10, then multiplication 200 and division 0.5. So these are the arithmetic operations. We have some other symbols also which we'll see. Now we will see the assignment operators in Python. So assignment operators we use, assignment operators we use to assign values to variables. Like we are already using assignment variables. Earlier also we were using these assignment variables. We'll see some examples. Assignment variables. We use assignment variables to assign the value. It's simple. So suppose here we created one variable x and we are assigning the value 5 to it with the help of equal to symbol. So this symbol we use to assign value, and that's why it is assignment variable. Then we'll create another variable. We'll do some x plus is equal to 2. So here we have one more assignment variable, that is plus equal to. What it will do, it will add and assign. So in the left hand we have the x, in the right hand we have 2, and the symbol is plus equal to. So what it will do, it will first, so see, we already defined x and we assigned a value 5 using the assignment operator equal to. So x is already a variable and it's having a value 5. So x is already a variable, it's having a value 5 initially. Now what is happening here? So x is already having a value 5 initially. Now using this symbol, what's doing, x plus is equal to 2. So first of all Python will execute the plus operator. What it will do, here in the right hand we have 2, so it will add plus 2, 5 plus 2 7. Then it will assign the 7 to x. It will assign value 7 to x. Hope you got this. Then similarly we have decrement operator, which what it will do, it will subtract and assign. Similarly we had plus equal to, it was doing add and assign. Similarly we have decrement operator, it will decrement the value and then assign it. We'll take another example better. We'll define a variable y is equal to 7 or anything 9, and then we'll do y minus is equal to 3. So what it will do here, first it will subtract the y by 3, means it will subtract 9 minus 3, and then it will assign with the help of equal to operator. So here what is y minus equal to 3 will be 9 minus 3, that is 6, and then it will assign the 6 to y. this is what these operators do: add and assign, subtract and assign. Now similarly we will have, so here what's doing, decrementing the y by 3, decrementing the y by 3. So here y is equal to 9 minus 3. So it will decrement the y by 3. So y is equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6, and it will update the value of y. Similarly, we will see another example of JAD, multiply and assign. JAD, multiply and assign. We'll define one variable JAD first of all, 3. And what it will do, it will assign, it will star equal to, it will first multiply the variable JAD with 4, and then it will assign the value to JAD. So JAD is already 3. It will multiply the 3 with 4, that is 12, and it will update the value of JAD. Now we'll run this example and we'll see what the value we are getting. So see here, we got the x 7 because we incremented the x by 2. Plus equal to means add and assign. Then we got 6 because it's a we are using decrement operator, that is minus equal to subtract and assign. So it subtracted the 9 with 3 and then assigned the value. Then we are using multiply and assign. So it multiplied and gave the output 12. Similarly, we have divide and assign. We'll see that also. We'll take any other variable, suppose q. Q is equal to 8, and then we'll divide q by 2. Divide and assign, which will divide q by 2, 8 by 2, that we will get 4, and it will update the value of q. And we'll run it again. We'll see the output. So it will run it again and we'll see we got the output 4. I hope you got this. Subtract and assign, add and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign. So these are the assignment operators. Now we'll move to comparison operators. So we use comparison operators when we want to compare values, like each 10, suppose each 10 greater than 5, or each Hers age is smaller than 20, or uh, is Rahul age is greater than 50, something like that. When we have to compare values, then we use comparison operators. We have multiple comparison operators, so like we have equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater or equal, less or equal. So we'll take some example of this. We all use this to compare the values, compare values, and it will return true or false. If it is greater than, that means if the condition matches, then it will return true or else false. So it just we use this comparison operator to compare the values and return true or false. We'll see some examples. We'll take the example of age. Suppose my age is, suppose we are creating one variable age, or if we are booking a movie ticket, you will see there in the movie app that this movie is only for age 16 plus. Whoever is having more age greater than 16 can only watch these movies. So we'll take that example, age is equal to 16, and now suppose we have to compare, this is my age, suppose this is her age, this is my age, 29, and suppose I have to compare it if it is greater than 16 or not. So we'll compare it with 16 because that movie is only applicable, that movie only watch whoever age is older than 16. So we'll print her age is greater than 16, so he can watch the movie, so he can watch the movie. So here we are comparing it. So it's an example of greater than operator. It's an example of greater than comparison operator. It's an example of greater than operator. Now we'll see some other examples. We'll see lesser than operator also. We'll see less than operator. If her age is lesser than, if her age is less than 18 will print he can't vote, hers can't vote. Now we'll see another example of greater or equal to. We'll see here only. We'll see greater than equal to example here. If hers is greater than equal to, then he can watch the movie. If hers age is lesser than equal to or lesser than equal to 17, hers can't vote. Similarly, we'll see some other example. We'll see equal to example. So suppose if hers age is equal to 20, hers can join the college or functions. Similarly, we have other operators, comparison operator. This is equal to. Then we have not equal to also. Suppose you're going on some trip, but that trip is only for a person whose age is 28. Means it's a condition. Suppose it's a condition, only that person can join the trip whose age is equal to 28, and whoever age is not equal to 28, he will not join the trip. So how can we do that? If her age is not equal to 28, if her age is not equal to 28, he hers can't join the trip. So this is the example of comparison operators. We saw equal to, greater than equal to, less than, lesser than equal to, then we saw the equal to, then we saw not equal to. So these are the examples of comparison operator.